32 size front part and side part. Drawing finish. Now cutting. Green line. Side panel green line. Back waist 5 3/4, half inch seam margin, 9 half, 2 30 waist, 28, 6 inch loose, 5 3/4, half inch margin, 5 3/4 back hip, 11/4 inch, half inch margin, 37, 33, hip, 4 inch loose, at 36, chest 38, minus 32, 6 inch loose, chest body chest loose 6 inch, waist loose 6 inch, hip loose 4 inch. Sleeve making 32 size coat sleeve pattern making, sleeve shoulder line, sleeve cap height, chest 6 part 558, sleeve length 23, sleeve cap height, bicep line, sleeve cup opening line, elbow 17 inch divided by 2, 8 half 2 inch less, 6 half elbow position, elbow line 3/4 inch in mark, front sleeve line, sleeve head position, sleeve head width position, chest solo part 2 inch, sleeve bicep width chest 4 part 8 inch, sleeve cup opening chest 6 part 558, back sleeve line, sleeve center